Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima, and today I'm going to show you how to change your date and time. So first, start the vehicle, and then once everything loads, we'll go to Apps, and then System or Settings, System, Clock, and then here you can change the military time or back. You can change how you want it displayed. You can change if you manually set your clock or it just automatically does it. Your time zones. If it's in manual, you can, change your hours as it makes sense to, just with these plus and minuses, and it auto updates in real time, as you can see. AM or PM. Scroll down, change all your dates and times through here. Go back if you need. Daylight savings on or off. All this stuff you can change. But that's it. I hope this is a helpful video, and hope you have a wonderful day.